So let's begin with painting the lemon. I'm giving a base wash of lemon yellow plain. On top of it, I'm using the same lemon yellow using a dabbing effect all over again. Then using gamboge yellow or chrome yellow for the middle shade. So in the reference, the lemons are not really lemon yellow in color. They are more of this chrome yellow or gamboge yellow. So I'm using more of that. And now this is yellow ochre in the darkest areas where the yellow ochre is in the darkest area of the lemon. I'm blending it with a little bit of chrome yellow. Apart from the base wash, all the other colors were done with dabbing technique because the lemon texture is not very smooth. Now I took white. Use a poster color or acrylic color white for this. The lemon beside it is to be done in the same manner, so I've not shown here.